Hi, Rick Péwé for Gone Jeepin'. We're out in the Jeep Concept Orange Peel. Now, it's mainly because it's a bright orange color and it can peel out. Pretty cool, huh? It's got basically stuff from the Mopar or Jeep Performance Parts catalog. Stuff that anybody can put on. You know, it's got a 2-inch lift. It's got 37-inch tires, wheels, even the rocker rails. But what's kind of cool is the custom stuff they did just for this prototype, and that's the top sunroof is real glass. Kind of redid that. That's not available, but it's really neat. And the half doors are awesome. How many years has it been since Jeep owners have had factory half doors? And yes, these are factory, they work. Yes, you can install them yourself, and they are nice. So the Orange Peel has some other cool things too. Number one are the BF Goodrich 37-inch KM3 tires. They're wrapped around the beadlock-capable Jeep Performance Parts wheels. Those are really nice. And of course, if you listen carefully, you can hear that catback exhaust. It's nicer sound than just a regular stock. It actually makes it sound like we're doing something. Of course, it's got the side rock rails and the 8-pillar lights. Those are really cool because they just bolt on. And one of the nicest things is a genuine worn winch on the front. So no matter what, we're not going to get stuck. It's really cool with the open air feeling with all the glass out of the top. And of course, that's not production, but it's what Jeepers really like. And we don't want to be closed to a sardine can, right? We like open air, four-wheeling. This is how it's done. And plaid interior. Not everybody can do that. I almost feel like a Scotsman or a lumberjack. I'm not sure what. Check out the Gorilla Glass. It's a special high-strength glass because obviously Jeeps tend to live in adverse environments where rock chips are common. This stuff is, they developed in, I believe, with Corning. It's a lot tougher. And it still has the little Jeep icon in the corner. And of course, the Jeep logo and a little gorilla. So you know you have the real thing when you get that. I'm not sure that it's available in production models, but it is available through Jeep Performance Parts. All right, so that's the Orange Peel. A pretty cool vehicle from Jeep Performance Parts. Check out those awesome half doors. Check out these wonderful side steps. Help anybody get in. All right. Don't forget, pod lights, and this is so cool. Look at that old-time Jeep logo. That's vintage. That's about 72 or so. So anyway, I'm Rick Péwé for Gone Jeepin'. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.